Ladies and gentlemen, today you heard about objectives, strategies, reforms, implementation, and performance. But I want to leave you with one simple question. What is different now? What is different is that we have moved from fragmentation to coordination, from reaction to strategy, from talk to execution, from insulation to partnership, and from simply managing the economy to deliberately transforming it. From the beginning, I made it clear that this ministry could not succeed alone. Government does not create economic growth by itself. The entrepreneur creates growth. The investor creates growth. The exporter creates growth. The manufacturer creates growth. The private sector creates growth. The role of government is to facilitate growth, remove obstacles, coordinate national effort, and create the conditions for success. This is why one of our earliest priorities was encouraging the establishment of the private sector organization of Trinidad and Tobago. And you heard a presentation from Mr. Amjad Ali. Because transformation requires partnership and alignment. For the first time in a very long time, this ministry is operating with clear objectives, structured implementation, measurable accountability, coordinated execution, and disciplined performance management. That is different. For the first time, we are strategically focused on expanding exports, facilitating investment, transforming tourism, improving the ease of doing business, strengthening local enterprise, improving national quality standards, and unlocking underutilized and stranded national assets. That is different. For too long, people spoke about transformation without execution. Today, you heard not only about plans, but about systems already being implemented, reforms already underway, and measurable action already taking place. That is different. And perhaps most importantly, for the first time in a very long time, there's an alignment between government and the private sector, alignment between strategy and execution, and alignment around national mission of economic transformation. Ladies and gentlemen, none of this would be possible without leadership that understands the importance of vision, coordination, execution, and national partnership. I therefore wish to recognize the inspired leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, Kamala Persad-Bissessar, whose support and national vision continue to provide the foundation and direction for this transformational process. That leadership is different. Transformation does not happen overnight. But nations change when vision becomes action, when planning becomes execution, and when people begin to believe again. We are rebuilding that belief. We are building momentum. We are building a more competitive, more productive, and more resilient Trinidad and Tobago, not through slogans, not through politics, but through vision, through partnership, through discipline, through execution, and through performance. This transformation process has begun, and we will continue to report to the population openly, transparently, and accountably as we move forward together. I also wish to thank all of you for being here today, members of the diplomatic corps, the private sector, our stakeholders, partners, members of the media, and the national community for your continued engagement and support. I also extend sincere appreciation to the staff of the Ministry of Trade, Investment and Tourism, and all those who worked to organize today's presentation and support the ongoing work of the ministry. Because the future of Trinidad and Tobago will not be built by chance. It will be built by leadership, partnership, discipline, and the determination of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not waiting for the future. We are building it. Thank you very much.